I was losing thousands of dollars until I figured out these 5 things. And if I had to start trading all over again, these are the things I would do differently. I don't know if y'all are new here, but my name is Tanisha T, and I've been an educator for over 15 years, and my passion is education, y'all, and to help you to become the best version of yourself. If you are interested in everything trading and just being around awesome people like myself, check out the description box below and join the Boss Up Academy. It's completely free. And if you like it here, you're gonna even love it more there because it's just us in that crew, okay? So let's get right in because I know y'all wanna know my business, how I was losing thousands and how I fixed it so you don't make those mistakes, right? So y'all, let's get right into it. The first thing that I would do differently, if I could talk to my old self, was I would have developed a plan. Can I tell y'all how horrible it was? Oh my gosh, you should have seen me like pulling out my hair because I did not know that you needed a plan. And I'm so glad you're here because I get to help you not make the mistake I did and tell you to do this, y'all. Develop a plan. Write that down because note takers are money makers, right? Develop a plan first. And as a trader, I was like, okay, what plan? What does that even mean? Let me break it down for you. A plan as a trader is to know what you're gonna do before the market opens or before the trade happens, right? You're gonna know your entry point, right? You're gonna know your exit point, and you're also gonna know your profit taking areas or your critical levels. And I have videos somewhere in my play deck somewhere talking about drawing levels, but more specifically, I do have that in the Discord about drawing levels. But y'all, without a plan, you plan to fail. You know that, right? That's a legit statement. So it refers to that in trading also, right? So we have to have a plan of knowing when to enter, when to exit, and when to take profits. And it's gonna revolutionize your trading experience because other than that, guys, you're gonna be sitting in a trade too long and hoping for something to happen. And remember when I tell you this, hope is not a position, all right? Let's go on to the second thing I would do differently. All right, y'all. So the second thing that I would have done differently as a trader, if I had to do it all over again, I would have developed a strategy. It goes very hand in hand with one. That's why they're so close together, because a strategy is how you actually implement the trade, right? How you actually work the trade. So what are the things are you looking for to enter a trade, right? What are the things you're looking for to actually buy those contracts or sell them, right? Or where to take profit? How do you know when to do that? And if you're like, I don't know nothing about no strategy, Tanisha, what are you talking about? No worries, y'all. I have developed a simple strategy from an educator standpoint. So it's something that you can learn simply because as a teacher, over the 15 years I've been a teacher, I know that simple is better, right? And I'm coming from an elementary school teacher background, right? I know how to break it down and make sure that it's digestible. So my strategy shows you where to enter, where to exit, and where your stop loss is. So you're not lost when it's looking at the candles and you do not feel overwhelmed because who wants to do that? You know? So nonetheless, inside of my Discord in the link below is how you join the free Discord where I'll teach you exactly how to do my simple strategy. All right, let's go on to number 3. All right, number 3, what I would have done differently as a new trader is I would have only listened to one mentor. And I know you all are here and I'm so glad you're here on this channel because you're looking for that information, right? You are hungry and I'm so excited for you because this is a great strategy to learn and I hope you stick through it. I really do. Whoever you are, wherever you are, I hope you do not stop because this is a life-changing skill, okay? So what I would have done differently, and I hope for you, is that you get to quiet the noise, right? You find a voice that speaks to you, that makes it clear what you need to learn when it comes to trading options. Whoever that is, it doesn't have to be me. Of course I want you in my group, duh. But if it's not me, listen to one voice. Because each trader has their own strategy. We're different. We're all different. We have choice. We have our own ways of looking at things, guys. And it's hard for you as a trader, especially a new trader, to be listening to multiple voices, right? Because some individuals use certain indicators. Some people use certain strategies, certain time periods, just different things when analyzing the charts and how they enter and exit trades. And if you are doing a bunch of these things at the same time, take it from experience, guys, you will not be a profitable trader because they will cancel each other out, right? Tom's strategy will cancel out Sarah's strategy and you're stuck still in the red, right, guys? Find a strategy, stick to it. find a mentor and stick to that mentor and work it through, right? It will do wonders for you because you will not be as confused listening to a bunch of voices, okay? I'm gonna use an example real quick as when you were learning how to read or learning your letters. When you're learning your letters, you learn from one teacher, right? You don't learn from a bunch of teachers. This teacher might have an accent. This teacher might pronounce the letters differently. This teacher might, talk too fast, right? Or talk too quiet. But guess what? You're one little person trying to understand this one thing, but you have 5 different people that speak differently, right? So how are you gonna learn? You're not gonna learn, you're gonna be confused. So think about that when you're a baby trader, a new trader, beginning trader, whatever you are. You can't listen to a bunch of voices, guys. You will be extremely confused. And take that from me as where I was. I would have quieted myself down to one mentor quicker, and it would have made my life so much easier. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. All right, y'all, I hope you're enjoying yourself so far. I'm so glad I'm making this video for you because I'm gonna save you time and money, I promise you, because your girl already went through all of this, and I wish I would have had somebody make this video, so you're welcome. And if you appreciate it, give me a thumbs up and let me know you like these videos so I can make more of these. And if you have not subscribed, what to do? All right. So the next thing I would have done, y'all, is learned how to manage my emotions. Whoo, boy. Because the thing with trading, I did not understand how invested you are when it comes to your emotions, right? I thought it was more of just the candlesticks and all the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis and all that. No, no, no. Your heart is in there. Your feelings are very much in there. So managing your emotions are so important when it comes to trading. And one of the big topics that I discuss in my Discord or just with anyone that I'm talking to when it comes to trading is FOMO. Did y'all know there was FOMO when it comes to trading options? I didn't know that. FOMO is definitely a thing. FOMO, the fear of missing out, is very much a thing, and it will really bite you. It will really hurt you if you don't learn how to manage your emotions. If a move has already happened and you're like, yes, I want to get in, and you jump into this move and you get burnt, right? So managing your emotions or learning how to manage your emotions early is so important. Let me give you one of the things that you should do to help manage your emotions. Do not watch your P&L screen. Write that down. Do not watch your P&L screen. P&L stands for profit and loss, right? So when you are in a trade, your P&L stream is going to fluctuate according to the candlestick movement, right? It's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, right? And let me tell you, red does not look good. So of course, when you see red, you're going to be scared. Your money is attached. There's your emotions, right? But guess what? That's just a moment in the movement of the candles because they move, they go up and down, they create wicks, they create bodies. That's what it's doing. So learning how to manage your emotions is so important, and not watching your P&L screen, guys, and watch your chart. You're watching your chart. You're paying attention to your strategy from number 2, and you're also paying attention to your plan from number 1. So you see how those come into play in real time, right? And when you're watching the candlesticks, you will now know, hey, if it touches my stop loss, which is we're going to talk about soon, I will know when to exit out the trade. And if it touches my profit target, I will know how to take profit and stay in the trade longer. Y'all, I hope this is making sense and seeing how it flows together, because I didn't have these when I was a new trader, right? So being able to manage your emotions is so important, and it will help you become a profitable trader. Trust me, okay? Let's go on to number 5. All right, write this down. I must respect my stop loss. I must respect my stop loss. That is number 5, guys. Knowing what a stop loss is and also respecting it, right? It's one thing to say, yeah, boom, I drew a line. I got a stop loss. I'm good. I know I'm a trader now. Yeah. But can you respect it? Can you actually press that button to exit the trade if it's not going in your favor and actually respect that stop loss? That's a big step as a trader. And what I would do differently as a beginning trader is actually, 1, know where my stop loss is, and 2, actually respect it. And that is why a part of my simple strategy, I made it literally a non-negotiable that the stop loss is built into my strategy, right? Because I wanted to take the guessing game out of it for you all as my students, to make sure that you didn't have to go through what I did as a beginning trader of not knowing where it is, right? And just hoping that the hundreds of dollars I was losing would switch, right? And remember what I said earlier, hope is not a position. That's not a thing when it comes to options trading, right? Your strategy, your plan, and your stop loss is a thing, okay? So the stop loss essentially, guys, is a location or a marker on the chart, right? That determines, or it gives you a signal to say, hey, the trade is not going in our favor. Let's go ahead and exit our position in this particular trade and live to trade another day. And guess what, guys? It minimizes your losses. Another thing that my simple strategy does is minimizes our losses and maximizes our wins. And that's big as a trader. Okay, it's extremely important to know that you can control to a certain degree how much you lose by using your stop loss. And it's such a great tool. Y'all, I hope you had a great time listening and learning today, and learning from my mistakes as a new trader, so you don't have to make those just mistakes yourself. And I'm so blessed to be making this video for you, and so honored that you are here and watched this entire video. So kudos to you for doing that. Make sure you have subscribed if you've stayed all the way here. Make sure you leave a comment down below what you liked, and if you have any other questions when it comes to options trading. And don't forget about my Discord, where you get more of awesome content like this, specifically tailored to you. All right, y'all? And without further ado, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See you soon.